Belgium has officially completed training its first team of military personnel to operate the MQ-9B SkyGuardian, a state-of-the-art unmanned aerial vehicle. This milestone was confirmed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated, GA-ASI, on July 17, 2025. The final phase of the rigorous instruction program took place at GA-ASI's Desert Horizon facility in El Mirage, California, following earlier sessions in Belgium and at the company's Grand Forks Center in North Dakota. The achievement marks a major advancement in Belgium's integration of high-end unmanned systems into its armed forces. The MQ-9B SkyGuardian is among the most sophisticated drones in global defense inventories, capable of conducting extensive surveillance and intelligence operations with minimal human input. The system is designed for full integration into civilian airspace and boasts a robust autonomous flight profile. Training conducted by GA-ASI was comprehensive, preparing Belgian crews to manage the aircraft's complex avionics and onboard systems. The curriculum emphasized flight instrumentation, emergency maneuvers, and operational mission execution. Personnel were trained to utilize core payloads such as the multispectral targeting system, synthetic aperture radar, and the mission intelligence station. Belgium's operators also learned to handle the stair system and the aircraft's automatic takeoff and landing suite, which enables completely autonomous runway operations. Belgium's MQ-9B program is the result of a foreign military sales agreement with the United States, greenlit by the U.S. State Department in early 2021. The $600 million package includes 4 MQ-9B aircraft, 2 ground control stations, mission support gear, extensive training, and logistical assistance. The first drone completed its initial flight in February 2025 and is currently undergoing performance validation. Final delivery is expected before October, with full fleet readiness slated for sometime in 2026. The SkyGuardian is the latest model in the MQ-9 lineage and introduces a host of modern features. Built by GA-ASI, the drone is designed to operate globally using satellite communications, even in polar regions. It supports over 40 hours of continuous flight, can fly in adverse weather, and carries interchangeable payloads for various mission types. Already adopted by NATO allies like the UK, Canada, and Poland, the MQ-9B has also proven its value in joint drills with the US Navy and international partners. For Belgium, the introduction of the SkyGuardian represents a leap forward in defense readiness. The platform will support a variety of national and alliance missions, including coastal monitoring, airspace security, and NATO surveillance operations. The drone's long endurance and autonomous capabilities allow Belgium to extend its ISR reach while reducing strain on personnel. With this acquisition, Belgium positions itself among a growing circle of technologically advanced military forces leveraging next-generation drone systems.